Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean the main brush or how to replace it or remove it or attach it again on your Philips HomeRun 5000 series. To do it, take your robot and flip it over. As you can see right now, there is the main brush. To open it, you'll need to open the door, which you can do by pressing on both of these here. You need to pull them down like so. You can do it separately or both at once. And now this part comes off. All you need to do now is remove the side brush. One side comes off easily, then the other one needs to be pulled out. And as you can see, I have the brush right now. I can clean it. I can remove the hair from it that's stuck on it or replace it after some time. And then simply put it back in. First comes this side with this square thing sticking out. Make sure to put it in. Then push the other side in. Okay, I'll need to push it in a little bit more here. Okay, now it goes in. There's the door. Let's do one side first, the one without these buttons, then the one with buttons until it clicks, and it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.